So what does Mumbai's vada pav has anything to do with AI? Well, let's take a look. I'm gonna start with a very simple prompt that describe Mumbai vada pav. And it is going to give me a simple answer in a very simplistic way. But what if I'm giving a little complex, not too much, but little better version of that prompt, saying that create the Mumbai vada pav recipe for this. But what if I'm doing further? I want even more prompt, longer prompt. Here we go. The longer prompt is going to give us a longer answer and a better answer. What I call a SPICE framework. SPICE: specific, purpose, intent, context, and examples. SPICE framework. Like spicy, like vada pav. All right, you like it.